Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach here, presenting this beautiful 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 4x4. This has a rare, unique winter package. One owner vehicle, excellent shape, bright white clear coat exterior with black interior. It's got the factory designs. One owner vehicle, clean Carfax report, all dealer serviced. Shows like new. Non-smoking car, no strange pet odors, no dog hair, no smoking. Dashboard, excellent shape. Interior, all the buttons. It says 17-inch by 7 black aluminum wheels, 265/70/17 tires. Back seats look like they've never been sat in. Excellent shape. Trac-Lok differential rear axle, winch-capable front bumper, rock rails, Alpine sound, freedom top, 3-piece, black fuel door, body color grille with black accents, connectivity group, tire pressure sensor monitoring, Uconnect. Driver's door, also very nice. Jeep looks like it's probably never seen a dirt road. Driver's seat too, very nice, leather and cloth. Heated front seats, leather seats with the cloth sport mesh, black tail lamp guards, all-weather mats, coil hooks, grab handles, piano black interior accents, 5-speed automatic transmission, navigation, 40 gigabyte hard drive, hill descent control, rear defroster, rear window wiper, remote start system. All right, if you're looking for a super clean Jeep, nice spec, winter edition, limited, one owner, excellent service history, give us a call, 858-382-1319. This vehicle is definitely ready for the off-road. We can help ship this car all over the country if you like. 858-382-1319. You'll find the video, pictures, Carfax on our website at iconiccoach.com. Please don't forget to like and follow. Thank you so much for watching. You can also submit a credit application on our website. Trade-ins welcome as well. We have ceramic coating, PPF options also. Thank you.